Hi guys, today I show you Sony dz280. It is a 5.1 system. There's 850 watts. DVD player can play CD, MP3, DVD. It has a music port or microphone calibration port, phones in, USB with the direct recording. Wiring is color coded. It has HDMI, DM port, SCART and radio. Music port you can use for your laptop. So I plugged it in my laptop and I'm listening music from my laptop. Same thing you can do with your mobile phone. You plug that jack in your mobile phone or laptop, or in TV, tablet or MP3 player. Music port you can use for calibration. So you have microphone and you calibrate your sound. And the USB port you can use for direct recording your USB. This is a very powerful system. It has 850 watts and one of the best subwoofers.